If you think this is a political rally or something of the sort, imagine uko wrong. These are Kenyan TikTokers wenye wamejitokeza in large numbers to support their own. So there's this guy, in case you don't know, there's this guy called Vincent Kaluma. He has been taking care of his sick dad. Babake amekuwa akisuffer stroke for a while, and this guy has been posting the progress and the struggles he has been going through with his dad on TikTok. So Wakenya wakaamua ni aje, si Sunday the 28th September tuende tukatembele Kaluma, and true to their words they showed in large numbers. Manze, me, I'm so proud of my country people. I've realized that without politicians, Kenya is home. Watu wanapendana. I really love the good side and the positive side of TikTok. God bless Kenyan TikTokers. God bless Kenya.